Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is a Pat McGraw Labs MatteTrance lipstick in color Elson. This is the perfect red. It's so hard to find it, with not too much a blue undertone, just the perfect shade. And I love the fact that it's matte, but it's not a matte that it will dry your lips. I also like the fact that it's really creamy, but it's not oily, so it stays in place. And I like my lipsticks to stay in place, especially if they are red. And Pat McGraw's own words, there's no better applicator than your own fingers. So this lipstick is such a good formula that is so easy to pick up either with your fingers or just with a makeup brush. The color is just the best red out there. And that's my point of view.